Do it up, chairs. Alexander, yo, E, good to see ya. Long time no see. All right. So where did we leave off yesterday, chat? Remember. Oh, actually, we should see if this actually works. I tried doing some cursor agents last night while I was at Bible study. We'll see if it worked. I was showing off you can just click things and stuff can happen, which is crazy. Fix chess game background color. We'll create a PR and we'll see if this solves our chess problems. Also, is my camera like overly red today? I don't think I look this red right now. I don't know. I feel like I look really red, chat. Really red. What's new? We did not commit at all yesterday. Very smart move. Always a good call to not commit for a whole day's worth of work. Amazon released a VS Code fork. No. No. Everybody's doing it, guys. Create game. Okay. So this part was working. We can refresh this. That's where we're at. We can refresh this. There we go. Okay. No, committing for a whole day's worth of work is my specialty. Exactly. I'm going to live life on the edge. Etienne, welcome. All right. So I think what we need to do now, we need to add, we'll try this. Now add a selector that decides whether the broadcaster will play white, black, or random. Okay. Overloaded. X. Update my create game selector for streamer verse chat to allow for choosing whether the broadcaster will play white, black, or random color. Okay. What my CJ project? Could you not? Well, I mean, it's kind of a good time for you to be working on it. Add everyone. More.
Properly tail recursive, like,
at everyone.
Actually my favorite.
More Elixir.
Made it properly tail recursive, like, Ocaml is actually my favorite.
All right. Okie and Purple Shade, thanks for the subs. Hamza. Also, Dan, well, I guess it does have to be a secret project. Okay, so I have to use a different key. Dang it, Dax. Fine, Dax. You know what? Just because of that, I'm going to use cursor instead of open code. Why are you so red? That's what I'm wondering. I feel like I'm so red today. If I get really mad, you guys think I'll approach even more red. I don't know why, dude. I feel like I look so red. Elixir did this to me. Properties. Video filter. Let's try this. Here. There we go. That's better. All right, now we took all the red. We took all of the red out of this picture. So now we're safe. Now we're safe. We took all of the red out. Alternatively, we can go this way. Custom color. Red. Okay. Yes, thank you. Finally. This looks so much better. Keys build reduction, 100%. Get rid of all the red. Get rid of all of the red. There we go. Thank you. Thank you. This is so much better. Okay, now we can finally code. Finally.
Nothing but PoE all day.
What we're gonna say here, make it so that there is a selector for the broadcaster to choose whether they play white, black, or random. Okay. All right, now we can code. And now we can code. All right. So when we go back to all right, well, let's fix this. Let's fix this. Okay. We'll just have to accept that my face looks really red today, and we'll continue on with this.
Ocaml is actually my favorite.
All right, whatever. Such is life. Such is life. Okay. All right, so we go here, we click this, white, black, random, beautiful, okay. Boom, bum, beam, 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 boom. Okay, but now inside of create match, selected game type, drop down, false, random, enum, white, black, broadcaster color. Wonderful. That's exactly what we wanted, chat. That's exactly what we wanted. Now we actually have to do something with this, though. Thus far, when we have a match, we need to find out if we're the current. We need to find. Okay, so if I'm the broadcaster. Oh, okay. Let's go back to where we have events for chess. All right. Broadcaster ID. Oh, I already have this. I was smart. I was very smart. Okay. Is broadcaster oh, but that doesn't actually well, let me think about this, because how do we know what game we're playing right now? Right now we don't even know what game we're playing. We don't even know what game we're playing. We should do more than this. We should return get game. We should do get game, probably. Game. And we don't want to have fen. We want to, where do we have server.get fen? This is the only spot. Great. So this can be game. We go back to here and we say get game. Game. Get fen. Okay. We got to keep more info than this. We're currently not saving enough stuff, right? When we make a new game, game of life unbalanced. They need to balance. Did you create complete multi-lobby? Yes. So now we have the ability to make games in parallel with each other. All right. So now we need to go here. We want to say we need to get the game instead of getting fen. So where do we do, it's like match.new or something, or what do we call it? Lobby.new. Lobby. Create. We called it create. Right. We need to put, this entire thing in here, not just the fen, but this, all of this config info. We need to put all of this config info here, because it's not enough to just save this. We need to know what game type we are playing. So we should just do something like chat plays Rock Paper Scissors, exactly. Yes, so multiple streamers can play chess at the same time. Possibly other people too. Thanks, Dan. Good point. Good point. Try turning the stream, maybe it won't be so red. Yeah, I know exactly. Jojo, mine's going great. How are you doing? Okay. I didn't learn to program. I didn't really have to do too much special to get Elixir going with Neobim. Oh, it's Mormon time. What up, Aboo?
Ryan's just always trying to throw shade at me.
Okay, so instead of doing this, we need to save this whole thing. We need to save this whole thing in the state for this match. So this needs to be something more like event, fen, like this. Like that would be the correct way to do this. Then when we do get game, we should be able to do fen is game.fen, and we should be able to debug, you know, game, something like this. This should maybe work. I don't know. We'll create a new game. Boom. We'll create a new game here. We could create game. Okay, we scuffed it. What did we do wrong here? That's fine. It's probably just we didn't go everywhere and streamer chat here, white, create game. Okay, what happened? Okay, nice. Handle call get game. Get fen. Oh, I didn't say get game yet. There we go. This is now game. That's why. That makes sense. Okay. Did we scuff it more still? Okay, what did we say now? What do we do now? Make sure the left-hand side of the dot is a map. No key fen. Oh, probably need to restart the whole thing because we updated the state of the server to be different. Okay, that makes sense. Yep. Because we had it be a string and now we're moving it to a map. Okay, that didn't work either. Let's see. Oh, probably matches. Let's see where else matches put here. Matches this right. Update. We have to say state matches. No, not that. State matches this. We have to update this. Is there like map.update or something? Updates the key and map with a given function. State fen event.fen. Something like this, I think, is the way you would write this. And then this is now update. This returns a new updates key and given function keys and map. Then existing function is replaced to use present the map key or map update A1, A2. We return a new one. Right. So then we got to go here. Wait, this is not Prime's chat. It's Prime waiting room though. Sorry, chat. Map get this fen dot fen. Okay, we'll save this. Oh wait, match map put. We got to do the same thing here, chat. We got to do the same thing here. Got to do exactly the same thing here, right? This. That makes me think, maybe this should be a function. which we'll do that later. We'll do that later. Sneezy DV, that's me. Thanks, chat. Thank you. All right, let's try this again. Ba doom be doom be doo dee boom bop boom bop da 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 be be doo. Okay, nice. This is all working again. This is all working. Boom. Great. We're playing chess. Now we need to put some info inside of here. When we open this page, we will say game match live, right? So is broadcaster is equal to game assigned current Twitch. Correct. Is broadcaster. Yes. Or maybe we'll use broadcaster. You. Nice. Okay, cool. We should know then if perspective, we'll say, is if is broadcaster do game dot event dot data dot broadcaster color else white. Okay. Perspective is this. And so then we should do something like data fen, data perspective is perspective. If we go back to our chess web TS, sorry chat, I'm kind of cooking today. I'm kind of cooking. Data set. Oops, data set. Const. We can TS ignore that too. Oh yeah, boys. Now we're cooking. We'll put this at this one. I'm almost thinking we should probably just put this as a new thing, but that's fine. Perspective string. Yes, and then let's go this dot board dot new chess const board. Don't I have something like orientation? Oh, it's not perspective, it's orientation. So let's go percent as perspective orientation. Right. Right. Orientation, not perspective. We go back to here and we say perspective orientation. Okay, so now if we create a new game, we go here, streamer for chat, I should be black. I click create game. It did nothing. Why did it do nothing? Did I just misclick here? I just literally clicked away from it. That's just in command. It's built into Neovim. This is like a lead chess thing. It's not an ignorant question, but no, we are building an interactive chess experience for Twitch chat and streamers. Look at that, chat. See? We switch which side, which perspective it is, right? So now we go back, we click new game, we click streamer versus chat, we click white, we click create game. Now we're on white orientation. Excellent, chat. Excellent. Excellent. Never been done before in the history. Flip board. Honestly, locking in a program, just pumping out stuff, so satisfying. Very true. Okay. All right, we don't have anything still for flip board. We do need something where we change. Is there a way, like, I actually have no idea. We'll ask Grok 4. Let's ask, Is there a way to automatically run JavaScript when a data attribute changes on an element? I don't know. Is that even a reasonable question? I don't know if that makes sense. Because then we could just, we're going to put this here. This always flips.
Made it properly tail recursive. Like, okay,
You could do that with Kiro by AWS. TM. Thanks for the prime. Yeah, there are mutator observers. Nice. Well, we'll get the answer here shortly. JavaScript, listen for attribute change. Nice, because then we can just do that. That would be easy. That would be easy. Bing, ding, ding. Ooh. Actually, let's do it this way instead. Assign socket. Holding back the river. They want it to come. Like it doesn't around. Do dee doo be doo be dee dee doo dee doo in the forever waiting for the man to come. Mama. This seems way too much work. I don't want to do all of this. That seems way too much work for this. That seems way too much work. How about something with less code? It doesn't do anything yet, though. I don't know why I did that, and then everything disappeared there. That seems crazy. Grok is like, this dude probably some auto-tuning DJ learning code for the first time. Yeah, for shorter, you can condense into a minimal setup like this. Okay, we could think about doing that. It seems a little bit overkill. I also just don't really care that much about this problem right now. So I don't really care enough to solve this right now. So that's okay. Special way of observing change, just set interval and get the element and check. Gross. It doesn't look like less code. How's Prime flipping the board? Well, it's that part's easy. I can make this do something where it just sends an event and stuff, but I was kind of hoping I could change it so that it just based off of the that's just based off of how can I say it? Oh, of the actual like data stuff around it in the HTML. That part's easy. Like we already can flip this is fine. Yeah, from the data HTML data attribute. But I'm not gonna do that right now because I don't care enough to solve that particular problem at this moment. So now though, chat, now you guys need to be able to play against me, right? So what we need to know is we need to know whose turn it is. Can I know whose turn it is? Yes, I can know whose turn it is right now based on the fen. Move server, get legal moves. I don't want to have to go do this. I can do this part in just Elixir for sure. def get current turn fen do. No, I'm just gonna write this. Let's see. Who should we try now? We'll give ChatGPT a try here. Say, let's go write an Elixir function to determine which player's turn it is based on a fen. Do it right. No mistakes. Fen is a way to write a chessboard state in one string. String split fen. There's no way that that's right. String split fen space trim true. Okay, I'll buy it. I'll buy it. I'll buy that big time. Active color actually is a better name too. Okay. Okay. All right, so now we can go when we're inside of Match Live. No. We're inside of chess server here. So we get an ID for a game. Now we need to know, okay, true. And this is going to be chess. Well, let's just say something like, is Twitch chat turn? So let's say we get this function, right? Def p is Twitch chat turn. And we want to do something like this. What are we going to do? Is Twitch chat's turn? We need to say, okay, we've gotten. Oh, we need to get the game first. Now we got a game. This is what we need. Game. So let's go. Case active. So if it's white, then does it equal this, right? Pretty much we want to actually ask case not. How do I do not equal? Is it this? Is that what we do? But is the broadcaster color different from the active color? Then it would be Twitch chat's turn. We're going to return okay and this for right now. Maybe we'll have problems later with this. Def active color. Why can't it be def p? I'm only going to call it from right here for now. Okay, so then we're going to say now it's Twitch sent move. Something like this, right? Balatro Wizard. I'll be honest, chat. I'll be honest. I did play. I played one game this morning before I started stream. All right. Start this completely over. Let's go to here. Create a new game. White. Okay, great. So when someone types, can someone type A2-A3 or some other chess move here? Nice. It doesn't show anything because it's not your guys' turn. So what I want to know is after I do this and you guys start typing it, let's see, chat. Type A2, A3 or something. Type a chess move. Type a chess move. Okay. Not working yet. Not working. Okay. Debug raw message. Okay. Raw message. We are getting those. C3-PO. That one's not going to help us. A2-A3. Right? So I got one, but I don't know if that's just because it was special because I did map fetch. Is Twitch chat turn? Polar active game. Oh, that doesn't make sense. Can someone else send A2-A5 or something? So A2-A3. Does it need to be? Oh, because it needs to be a. No, it doesn't need to be a legal move. Anybody should. Oh, nope. Raw message. A2-A3. Okay, so that's weird. Map fetch. Chat to match. Event.chatter user ID. Fool. Broadcaster user ID. Wow.
How would you say your mental focus is?
Oh, it's focused.
Oh, it's focused.
Oh, it's focused. Okay, wait, chat. Now if you type A2, A4, yes, it works. Now if we make a move for you guys. Now it should be back to my turn. I'm not going to see any of your guys' messages show up as moves. None of them are showing up as moves. They're only showing up as raw events. I make a move. Now we should start seeing again parsed moves. Okay, so this means all we need to do now is we actually need to make the move. Now we need to make the moves. So first off, let's delete that. Then we need to go, let's see. I don't know. I do know how to get the ID. I have that now. So now we need to actually make that move. How do we do that right now? Update live.move. Right, we try to make this move. Map get. Okay, map get here, a broadcast here, match update event ID fen, apply move, update this with the new fen. Yes. Okay, so I believe all you need to do now is events.chat.move. Event.chess. No, sorry. Chess.events. Did I call this match? I called this one live.move. Broadcast this here. No, that's not right. This is ID. Event.chatter user login. Parsed. Okay, so now we go back to here. It's your turn, chat. Send a move for black. You know, B7, B6 or something like that. Okay. Let's see. We are getting those as moves. Not seeing anything happen, though. Okay. Hodl, chat. Hodl. Ooh, I know what it is. Chess.events. Chess.events.live. I don't think we're subscribed to this. Yep. Okay. That's the problem. Create. Chess.events.live. Okay. We got to restart the... Oops, I just killed cursor. That's fine. We got to restart this because this one starts from the beginning. We need to reset these up. Okay. Could be another error. I did see an error there. Not going to read it. I'm white right now, so you guys should not be able to send a move. If you guys send A2 to A3, it won't work. B2 to B4 doesn't work. I'm the mover now. I move here. Now, maybe if chat sends a valid move for black, now it's my turn, chat. Now it's my turn. I play London opening. Your turn, chat. B7, B5. That does seem like it should have worked, Ryan. That does seem like it should have worked. Okay, here we go. What was the problem? Fen not found in chess live move. How did we get terminal.event.live.move? Live.move. How are we getting fen? Map get events ID. Sorry, chat. Hodl here. 118. Server 118. Oh, not event.fen, you fool! You fool! No! No! Start a new game. We just restart the whole thing. Restart the whole thing. Just make sure we're in a good spot. Dude, chat, I told you please don't ask Lane about that. Please don't ask Lane about it. Put in. Okay. Oh, sorry. We'll go back to here. Okay. I go London. TJ thinks I've forgotten, but I never forget. No, I know you haven't forgotten. I just didn't want anyone to bring it up. I just didn't want anyone to bring it up. Here, let's see if chat's paying attention. I know chat's not paying enough attention because they're not expecting me to do this, and someone's going to say a move that's wrong first, and then I'll get to take. Yep. Thanks, chat. You guys are bad. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. That's not in the London course. Come on, boys. I'm going to Prime Stream. Yeah, get out. Oh, chat. Pog crazy. Pog crazy. You guys did it. Prime went Darude Sandstorm. Oh, nice try, Chad. I'm paying attention. I'm paying attention, okay? Chad, if you just keep spamming what move you want, final weeks of Elixir Resistance, how does it feel? It was nice knowing all of you. I'm losing my mind. His weakness is the bishop snipe. Everyone's weakness is the bishop snipe though. When is it gonna be my turn again, chat? Let's go. Pick some legal moves. Who taught you these tactics? There's a whole different kind of game when you play against Twitch chat. Wow, actually good move, chat. Actually good move. Let's see here. Doom, dee-doo-doo-doom, dee-doo-doo-doom, dee-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doom, dee-doo-doo-doom, dee-doo-doo-doo-doom, dee-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doom. I don't really want to finish this game though, because I feel like I'm gonna get tilted. Let's see what chat's got for me. Do 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 para para pa pa para para ri rapata paru pu para paru. Chat, that was definitely not the move. That was definitely not the move. But now I'm thinking, what do we want to do here? I could get captured. Wrong. I could go here. Wrong. No, you cannot take here. I would kill. You can't take here. I would kill. That's checkmate. Can I ban users that give away a piece? That's pretty funny, actually. Because if I go here, takes. If I go here, you can take with this, but then I go here. It's just I don't want to throw away my queen. That would be embarrassing. Yeah, we can do new game. All right. No, it's okay. We need to fix a bunch of stuff anyways. Here's something I want to do for sure. Let's go to match live. We need to keep track of who made what moves here. We need to keep track of who made what moves. I want to do that. That's not fair, chat. You're actually thinking about the moves. Yeah, it's true. The knight was pinned. Right. Couldn't he just take the rook? Oh, good point, chat. I wasn't even thinking about that because he's pinned. Good point. Good point. Good point. Good point. I wasn't even thinking about that. Castling, or every chess move works because we didn't write the chess like rules part. Where is Elixir? It's right here. Okay, so what I want to do is if we get a move, I want to add this to the like update history, right? It needs a history. This makes me think we really should move to a struct for this because this is going to get out of hand quickly. So let's go def module match state do and use typed struct do fen. No. Well, I guess we could do this. We could save some of these, but for right now, we're not going to do this. We're just going to say field. What did we call this again? We called it matches. I don't even remember what we called it, so that's part of the problem here for sure. Event and fen. So event is, no, not that. We had this as chess dot. Oh no, actually, yes, it is this. Yes, that's actually right. Good job. And then we should also do something like field. I want to call this history, but we don't know what it will look like. So instead, we're just gonna do. Is there any like this? It could be a list of. It could be anything really. Bet you can figure out if they made a brilliant move versus blunder. Yes. So when are you inviting Gotham Chess? When it actually works. But I do think he would think it's funny to play against his chat. We'll add some other rules. Don't worry. We're gonna add some other rules. Okay. Will you save the game in a PGN format? I don't know. We can do anything we want, chat. We can do anything we want. It's all Turing complete. Okay. It's good to actually be a big game for streamers stuck in cube. Oh, that's actually a funny point of like playing it when they're like stuck waiting for an actual chess game. That's actually pretty funny. Anything we want? Can we play Balatro? We could. It would be a lot harder, but we could. Is it weird to do like def update fen? It just seems nicer to do like update fen kind of like that. We can go default. It's just a list, right? So we can go match state here. It's weird, right? How would people know? Do a change set instead? And is used of game state. What do you mean? Chat versus chat would be hilarious. We're going to build chat versus chat as well. We're going to build chat versus chat as well. We're going to build like A through Z, or like A through M versus N through Z, or like plebs versus subs. You know, like that kind of situation. I think plebs versus subs is very funny. Plebs versus subs is the next one we'll build. So first we're doing, well, we need to do this one. Then we're going to do where you guys can vote. Instead of just picking one, we're going to make like multiple. Right? Like it's going to look very different when it's not just the first move. You guys will have like 30 seconds to vote. Most popular one will get picked. Like that kind of thing. Does algebraic notation usually used for tracking moves? I mean, we can format it any way we want. So I want to go fen like this, and I want to go history is there no easy way to be like match state? How do I go something like this plus move? I want to send this whole event though. Oh yeah. I mean, we can save whatever. No, because I also want to have who said what. So I also want to say like this move was from this chatter. Pay to win? Maybe. If we can think of how to make chess pay to win, we probably should, guys. Use Vim marks? Not very often. But right now, I don't know how I would update this. So if I think of going back to like match live. We could do like game is terminal.chess.server get game. Can I go history is game.history. We make a new match. We click create game. We go here. We type A. Oh, that didn't work. What didn't it like? History not found in OK. Oh, right. Okay. Yeah. That part's fine. A8, A7, A6, something like that, right? Okay, cool. Terminate protocol JSON encoder chance event live move. Oh, right. That's because we can't. We need to be able to send this over the wire. When we go to events chess here, this needs to be able to have JSON encoder. Ooh. How do I do that? Encoder. How do I do this? JSON decoder. How to make JSON decoder encoder. Elixir. Derive JSON encoder only foo. I do it for all of them though. So I can go like this. I can go like this though, right, Chirai? Then I could put this inside of def event as well, right? When I make def event, I could say at derive JSON encoder. Chess.types.move a struct. Def topic. Def event. I would have thought that this would work. Oh, for move. Right. For move. Which one is move again? Terminal.chess.types.move. Chess types. Move. At derive JSON encoder. Ooh. Never heard of a JSON encoder? Okay, we make this. We move here. That's fine. Everyone's happy. A7, A6. Didn't work. Okay. Terminal chest types not move. Okay, I thought I just did that. I typed derivs. Derivs. Salt my hammies, chat. Beautiful. Okay. So now, just do a wee bit of inspecting here. One sec, chat. One sec.
Testing.
All right, we're back. We are so back. Wow, D4 opening for sure. Yeah, my kid came in. That's a terrible opening, Dad. Stop. Today's Tuesday, so there's no staying up. It's Wednesdays and Fridays is when we record. But me and Prime are going to be traveling this week. So we could use @derive JSON, although JSON has more features. We'll see for now. I fixed the lower level ones. I don't have any bots going on. How could I reach this level of developer? Because I'm low-key lost right now. Well, I mean, we're doing a lot of stuff right now, right? I'm working on code a lot part, but for making friends, how do you do that part? I can't tell if you're trolling or not. Oh man, that's so funny. A chat versus bot would be neat. Yeah, I mean, we can try and get a chess bot. We just haven't done it yet. We could check out Lichess's API later. It's an interesting idea too. Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to say update Fen. We should have history and we should have history here. Okay, so then ideally if we say, if I make a move again and then we say A6, A5, we should get a new update here. I'm really hoping to see history have something inside of it. History. Hey! Okay, so now we have history. We do have history. Nice. Okay, so that means that won't work. I have to make a move and then you guys can make a move. I have to make a move, then you guys can make a move. This is my move right now. I move here. Now chess can make a move. I'd probably update history with Fen. History, so lace move is always the head. Oh, well, we always only keep one Fen around. Ryan, the moves are like A7, A6. A6, A5. They're two separate pieces of data. Boom. So now we go to here. We should see our last Fen history. Oh, did I do it backwards? Oh, you're saying I'm doing chess server. I'm doing this. You're saying I should be doing event state.history. That makes sense. That's the one that I see more often. That makes more sense anyways. Okay. I'll buy that. We click new game maybe. We click this, we go here. We click this, we go here. Okay. I go here. Chat can make a move. Okay, so what we need to do now is inside of match live, when we get this history, what I want to do is I want to assign, I actually want to do something like assign socket history, game history. And then we don't need to do, we don't need this either. Can I put this all in one line? It's going to be happy with me. Okay, we can go on 2 lines. All right. So now I make another move here, and then we say something like A7, A6. More efficient like this. Yeah, yeah. All right. So then, now we need to do something with the history. History. Oh, not history. I want to call this, instead of move history, I do think this should just be called, let's just call this history. What else is there going to be? History is no moves. For move index. Enum with index. I don't even know what is this, dude? What is this? Can I not just do, is this iterating over a list? That doesn't look right at all. Can I just go like this? Move history. 3. So we have 3 moves. Class move index. Span, class flex, span. Why am I not getting... How do I iterate over this? Am I crazy? Is this not how I iterate over something in... I don't know how to do for loops in Heeks. I forgot. You want to have an index called enum with index. Oh, I see. Yeah, I don't need the... Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. I see. So I need to go enum... Oh, right. I forgot about this. That makes sense. Because this is enumerate. This is enumerate, which gets me every time. Gets me every single time. Yes, it gets me every time. Hello, A6. Chat, it's working. Okay, next move. Let's see what happens. Your move, chat. Your move. Your move. Let's see who gets it. G. No, you're right. And you're playing for black. I'm white this game. I'm down here. You guys are up here. Okay. Oh, this is because... Oh, wait. I think this is right. Okay, I'll take. Now what, chat? I don't know. I guess we develop for now. Chat, we're not going to finish the game. We're just playing moves, okay? Don't worry. You have a vertical line on your screen, not just your IDE? What do you mean? Where? This is... We kind of want this to go backwards, don't we? Like, does it not seem... Thanks, chat. Read directly or chat? No, chat is typing. Chat is playing. It reads from chat and it will play the first move it reads when it's your guys' turn. I like most recent at top. Resign. Yeah. Well, it says right here, but it's not updating really. Like, we'll fix it in a sec. How to resign. Only the first move chat the most common. Right now it's just first move. We didn't write this part yet, really. This flipboard does nothing yet. I know it's a little confusing for chat to play from the top side. I know. And we don't have game over, black is in checkmate. Nice. Okay, cool. It's okay. I can also play, I can play your guys' moves. All right. We'll make it prettier later. That's what I have AI for. That's what I have AI for. All right, so now if we go back to our chess server, here's where things are different. We need to check out, we get a game here. We get a game, we get a game, we get a game, we get a game, we get a game. Say game. Is there a way to tell Elixir that this is a certain type, Ryan? As like the as in like the type hint, like a type hint for this. Like, can I tell it that it's a match state somehow? Oh, match it, sure. Wait, but how would I write this on one? Really? That seems crazy, though. That seems insane-o. That can't be that can't. Do you never do this? I can't imagine someone writing that. What up, Ninja? There's no way someone does that, right? Right, yeah, I get that part. I get that part. Is there a way to do it just with like a at type match state dot t? You know what I mean? No, that doesn't exist. Okay, that's chill with me. That's fine. Oh, I could see going like this though. I can see that. And unpacking it, I could buy this. I could buy this. That's actually pretty nice. I can buy this, Shy Rye. I can buy this for sure. Because now I know that this doesn't have data, it has event. This is really more like it's really more like create or config almost. Whoops. Because this is like ID kind of data. These are the things that we're interested actually in doing. So really it's more like we just put kind and we put data. I don't know. I'd think about this a little bit more though later, but that's fine. Instead it's event and we'll just say data here. Now we have fen. Now we need to match on this data. We have to do a bunch of different things here. So you have case data.kind do end streamer versus chat. This is handle streamer versus chat event state It's a little bit, it feels a little bit goofy to like unpack it, but also not unpack it. Guess you do single player chat before chat versus chat. We're gonna explore some options here. Not goofy. This is fine. Not goofy. Confirmed. Confirmed. Not goofy. Excellent. 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 Event, match, state, and state. Otherwise, here. Okay. So then this section, bing bong 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 bonk. Def P handled this bonk ding doom donk donk doom doom dot doom dot doom ding doom dot doom ding doom dot doom ding doom dot. We're not even using match state yet. Map fetch instead of match get. Map get will get a pattern match error when we're here. ven and event.move. This should also be deet 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 deet. So really now we have streamer versus chat. We have streamer versus chat, streamer versus chat. But we also have, we can make a type like this, at type match kind, streamer versus chat, fast. We have streamer versus chat vote. F was on your side, I think, yep. And this is match kind, something like that. Match kind 0 undefined. That's not how I do this. Is that a thing? That doesn't seem right either. I don't know how to do. Maybe I should turn this into like an ecto-enum instead. Ecto-enum. I always forget how to do this because it's a macro. Is there like a no need for ecto-enum? What would I do instead? I don't know what to put here. You're wrapping it in a module def. I want to be able to reference this from other places. Does that make sense? Terminal. You're saying I need a terminal chess events match kind like this? What up, Kev? Kev, we gotta catch up again, buddy. Is there no better way to do like, hey, this enum has to have exactly these things and only these things, and if anything else is there, it's bad? Oh, Kev, going to a Michigan game would be so hype. Together, that would be really fun. Yes, let's. We should talk about that. We should definitely talk about that. This just seems so like, I don't know, that I don't like it mostly. Alright, so we go back here. Is a type strong? I'm just saying in general, like Elixir land. You know what I mean? Like how do people normally write enums of atoms? Like I don't like that this right here. I would this makes me really sad that I don't get a warning at all. Like I said what match state it could be. I said that this thing can only be this type. Event can only be this, right? And then so we only have kind can be this, and there's nothing that can tell me, yo, Doug, you have streamer versus chat fast and streamer versus chat vote. And this should really be called first. Maybe we'll call it first chat. Run mixed dialyzer. Okay, could be. We can try that out later. First chat. Okay, so dialyzer might catch that. I do have dialyzer set up. Two-state type system. Right. Yep. No, I get that. I get that, you know, things are happening. Streamer versus chat vote. Fert chat. Fert chat. Fert chat. First chat. Okay, so then when I go to my match live and we have stream versus chat. Stream versus chat. Right, so this one's going to be quite similar in a lot of ways. Here, we're going to go... So game we play against your Twitch chat. This is first chatter to type a valid move will be selected. Okay. Play against your Twitch chat. What? Why doesn't this say play against your Twitch chat? Oh, yeah. Okay, cool. Stream versus first chat. Stream versus first chat. Okay. So now I need another one. Button. I don't know. We'll try this. Value kind. Shouldn't this be data dash kind value kind? Shouldn't this be like stream? Wait, does this translate into an all lowercase atom? Then how is this working before? Oh, because it was hard coded, probably. Can I go like this? Stream versus first chat? Or no? It has to just be stream versus... Here's be a string? Yeah. Ray Defoe, welcome. Create game, kind, here, and then this should be...
Made it properly tail recursive.
Okay,
Like,
stream versus first chat, stream versus first chat vote. Okay, so we should have two of these, right? Yep. Morphed and Taco Bandit. Yo, what's up? This is play a game, play against your Twitch chat. They will vote for their moves. Something like this, right? And it's basically the same thing. Play against your Twitch chat. They will vote for their moves. Something like that. The game stream versus chat vote. This is stream versus chat vote. Okay, so we click here. Stream versus chat vote. Right here, stream versus chat. We click create game. This one won't really work because we haven't made this yet, I'm pretty sure. Right, it's like just server terminating. Airlink map get this key blah blah try handle server map update. Yeah, I think we just haven't actually done that yet. Okay.
Made it properly tail recursive.
Right here. This one right here. We did stream reverse chats. So this is where I think probably all of these don't need anything new now. I think we don't need to match on this. We can just do this now. I think we always would want to do this. Create a new lobby. We broadcast this. We make the new game. Okay. So that's fine. So we click this. We click create game. We're here. We're here. You guys are here. I move. We type A7, A6. It works. Okay, so now we need to implement for this mode basically like a new thing where we gather up the votes for 30 seconds or so, and then we play those votes, whichever one is the most popular. I wrote a thing for that a while ago. Yeah, it'll be a little bit different, Ryan, but I'd love to see what yours looked like. Would actually be good, because I want to do I want to capture them into like votes first and make sure it's your team. I need to make a like start and end button thing here, right, where like, okay, we're playing this game mode and here's your little button that says stop voting, start voting, stop voting, that kind of thing. Message collector. Ooh. We'll check this out and then we'll probably go. I got a bunch of other stuff to do because tomorrow we are going to San Francisco. Interval though, you need to start and stop. Yeah, I mean, it's like some similar ideas. Add message, set interval. I'm not sure. Yeah, so instead of doing the interval, we would start something. Need premium votes for 100 bits each. We're just gonna make subs versus plebs, and then it'll be funny because the subs will continue winning and then they'll get to yell at the plebs, cry harder, you know. That part's gonna be amazing. That's gonna be peak content, chat. Peak content. It'll cast, get most common, won't send most common. Oh, nice. Okay, yeah. I see what you're saying. Try right. Gotta force the sub incentive somehow. Smart, right? You don't want to be a loser. Didn't know you were into gaming. Peak content. Oh, nice. That's funny. All right. Is Prime live? Is he doing his music yet? Oh yeah. Okay, I gotta go. We'll be back. You might see us online sometime between now and Friday. But I probably won't be back on my stream until Monday, is my guess. But we're on the grind, chat. We're streaming. I'm a real streamer again. People are gonna be like, "Why is it a joke about Teej not streaming?" I don't get it. He streams all the time. That's what they're gonna be saying. Just watch out, chat. Watch out. That's what they're gonna be saying. Teej, do you play chess? Not really. What was the intro about the vertical line on your screen? I don't think I have a vertical line on my screen. I'm looking at my stream and I don't see one. It's possible, but I don't know. All right, gotta go. Bye. Oh, this line. Yeah, no, yes. That's because my green screen scuffed today. That's just my green screen. Yeah, it's fine. It's because the camera was like I'm so red today. I don't understand. When I go like this, and then I have it adjust for a second, I'm like a not tomato color, and then I go so tomato, dude. So tomato. Okay. Bye, everybody. See you later. Bye, X.